Another day, another chance to have discussion to about everything that needs to be discussed. What does the pattern clause in Java represent? That's what it's used for. Then matches true. Yeah. Because the reason why is the matches method of the matcher class checks if the entire input strings match the regular expression in true. What does the find method of the matcher class go? Do? Yeah, I can't probably see B. Oh, well, yeah, that's what I did. That is what I do. So yeah, take care and have a nice day.